Hi guys, today we'll talk about how can you change password on your app. We're going to figure out this solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, you just go here above this sign, click on it. When you just click on it, it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this here. So then all you have to do now, you just click here on change password, click on it. When you just click here on change password, it's going to take you to this list here. Then here add old password, then here new password, then here repeat your password, then you click on change password, then it's going to change with you. That's all you have to do. That's all. Thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.